Aussies, and we are off to get a laksa from Lovelivexplore because I've been craving one for a few days. We're also going to go to the botanical gardens today.
Don't feed this one. Hey guys, we're at the botanical garden. So we are on our way to the Japanese garden now.
Yeah, of course, Henny's favourite. Whenever there's a Japanese garden, we've got to check it out.
I want to go.
Far we just got here, it's really, really beautiful, like really well kept and everything. We'll show you around everything and yeah, hope you enjoy.
Hold on to your scars and wounds and past of war. And I said, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, my words are few, but I love you.
On Snake Discovery, she said that when you're helping turtles cross places, make sure you don't turn them around or do whatever, like anything like that, because otherwise they'll lose where they are and they'll just try and go back to their home and then try and go back to where they want to go. So when you're helping a little turtle, you've got to grab the edges and take them where they want to go. His claws are really sharp though.
You can do it. Great job, baby, helping the little toadie out. Get him out of the sunshine. Is it too steep for him?
He's a little cutie.
Great job, Mr. Turret.
He's very, very hot.
Grace and truth in life. And I said, what would you do if you could lose?
Hey guys, I found the most beautiful place ever to sit and relax. Do you hear that sound? There's a little river right here. Little river. It's very beautiful here, so I'm going to sit back, relax and draw.
My words are few.
And I drew some things, but they're getting better, I guess. I drew some, pardon me, plant life and a little bonsai.
Look at them, they're picking each other's nits. Hey monkeys. They're all doing it. He just ate it. I want to be a monkey. Look at these little ones playing. And then he's picking his butt. There's a big lizard behind there too. I don't know if you can see it. Just here. We found a lizard. He looks like a sea cucumber. Good afternoon! So, we were at the botanical gardens earlier, just wandering around, having a good time. But when we got back, we're feeling a little bit sore and rough. So, Oh, it's a bit dark here. So we are gonna go get
A massage.
a massage. I'm getting a 2-hour Thai massage.
I'm getting a 2-hour hot stone body massage.
Ooh, heck yeah. And it's just like not even like 5 minutes, like one minute away from our hostel, so heck yeah.
Let's go.
I'll go chasing rainbows near or far. I'll color your world.
Choking my tea.
It was so good.
Really good. Feel so relaxed and stretched
Have
out.
our tea now.
It was so fabulous. So this is like probably, it's up there as like my favorite thing about Malaysia.
I think it's one of my most favorite things about Malaysia as well. You get to go to a Mamk, which is like a little restaurant thing.
It's like an Indian restaurant where they sell like rice and noodles and drinks
And roti.
Yum, 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 yum.
Roti pisang.
And like pretty much anywhere you go. So we've been KL, Cameron Highlands, and now Penang. There's always a 24-hour one, no matter what. It's like, so it's like midnight now. We've watched a couple of movies. We snack. We snack here.
Yeah.
So, like, if you were back in Australia, it's like
There's nothing else to do.
McDonald's, and it's
Yeah.
like, you know, like, yeah. But here, we get to go get Mamk. It's Mamk time.
Time. It's so
Right.
tasty. They have the best drinks ever.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you excited?
Tea toddy. Nice. So tea ice.
Yummy. It's mine.
Craziest Mamk ever. They have like so much on the menu. And it's so busy.
Fearful notions, Tito's, I'm not immune to cry. Stuck, feeding monsters. Tito's, I'm not immune to cry.
Hey guys.
That was the best snack ever today.
So delicious. I'm so full zone. So anyway, hope you enjoyed our video.
If you enjoyed the best kept secret of Malaysia, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed us just meandering around the botanical gardens, getting our massage and enjoying the best snack ever. Don't forget to Lovelivexplore.